Ever stepped into your bathroom and felt like you entered a rainforest? Sticky walls, foggy mirrors, and that musty smell? You're not alone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're revealing the top 5 best bathroom dehumidifiers that actually work. Links are below. Grab yours before the moisture wins. The number 5 product on our list is KCONBS Dehumidifier. Ever wondered why your bathroom still feels damp hours after a shower? That lingering moisture could lead to mold, and that's where the KCONBS Dehumidifier steps in. Among the top 5 bathroom dehumidifiers we've tested, this one quietly shines. Using advanced semiconductor technology, it efficiently pulls moisture from the air while staying whisper quiet, even in sleep mode. The vibrant 7-color LED lights aren't just for show, they add a calming vibe to your space. With a 54 oz tank, auto shutoff, and timer options, it's built for safety and ease. Compared to others, it's smaller in size, but perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or closets up to 500 SQFF. It's not for large basements, but for personal spaces. It's a smart, energy-efficient choice. If peace of mind and mold-free air matter to you, this one's a winner. Definitely worth a spot on your shortlist. Number 4 is Simsen Dehumidifier. Tired of waking up to that sticky, clammy air? The Simsen Dehumidifier might just be your quiet hero. As part of our top 5 bathroom dehumidifiers, this compact powerhouse pulls up to 34 oz of moisture daily, covering spaces up to 800 SQF, making it perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or even your RV. The 95 oz tank means fewer refills, while its whisper-quiet 35 dB sleep mode ensures peaceful night. Visually, it's a vibe, thanks to the soft, customizable atmosphere lights that elevate your room's mood. We especially loved the detachable filter that freshens air while dehumidifying, something most competitors in its class miss. Auto shut-off and optional drain hose bring safety and convenience, especially when you're away. For those struggling with excess humidity but don't want a bulky eyesore, this unit nails both function and form. It's efficient, sleek, and tested for real-life comfort. Definitely worth considering. The third one on our list is SANVINDER Dehumidifier. Did you know high humidity can silently damage your home and health? That's where the SANVINDER Dehumidifier steps in. Quietly, efficiently, and impressively. Ranked in our top 5 bathroom dehumidifiers, this compact unit may be small, but it's a real game changer. With a 25 oz tank and the ability to pull up to 16 oz of moisture daily, it tackles damp corners in your kitchen, closet, or RV like a pro. Unlike noisy competitors, its advanced Peltier tech keeps things ultra-quiet, under 35 dB, so your sleep stays undisturbed. The auto shutoff adds peace of mind, and it only sips power. Just 0.96 HQH in 24 hours. It's perfect for minimalists and budget-savvy users alike. While not built for large spaces, it delivers outstanding results in small areas. For those battling lingering dampness, this is a smart, affordable fix that actually works. Practical, portable, and truly worth every penny. On number 2 is KeepGlad Dehumidifier. Did you know that just a few ounces of excess moisture can ruin furniture, trigger allergies, and create that musty bathroom smell we all hate? Enter the KeepGlad Dehumidifier, a standout in our top 5 bathroom dehumidifiers lineup. What makes it shine? 2 words: precision control. With a digital humidity display, timer presets, and whisper quiet sleep mode, this unit isn't just functional, it's smart. It extracts up to 40 oz daily and keeps your space between 40–50% humidity for optimal comfort. You'll love the ambient 7-color light design. It turns a practical device into a relaxing visual treat. Need continuous drainage? It's got you. No more tank checks. While it may not suit extra-large spaces, for bathrooms, basements, or RVs, it's near perfect. Efficient, quiet, and stylish, it solves real problems. If you want worry-free comfort, KeepGlad is a purchase you won't regret. Now moving to the last one is Tenergy Sorbi Dehumidifier. Here's a surprising fact. Did you know excess moisture can silently damage your home and harm your health? That's where the Tenergy Sorbi Dehumidifier shines among the top 5 bathroom dehumidifiers. Combining quiet Peltier tech with a true HEPA filter, it doesn't just dry your air, it cleans it, capturing 99.97% of particles. Picture this, a whisper-quiet device removing up to 750 mL of moisture daily, perfect for spaces up to 200 SQF. The removable 1-liter tank with auto shut-off means no mess, just peace of mind. It's compact, energy-efficient, and ready to fit seamlessly into your bathroom or closet. Compared to others, its HEPA filtration is a game-changer for allergy sufferers. If you want smart, effective, and silent comfort, the Tenergy Sorbi is a top-tier choice, worth every penny for healthier, drier air. Definitely recommended. What do you think? Would this work for your space? Among all of these, the winner is Tenergy Sorbi Dehumidifier because it not only removes excess moisture but also improves air quality. With quiet performance and HEPA filtration, it's truly worth it. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 bathroom dehumidifier. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more video. Thank you.